How to send disappearing photos on Messenger. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send disappearing photos on Messenger. First, navigate to the Messenger app on your phone. Make sure to log in to your account. Now open any chat and tap the camera icon at the bottom. Then choose any media from the gallery you want to send. You will see the option off, so tap on it to turn it on. Review all the features and tap OK to continue. After that, tap the send icon to successfully send it. It allows them to view it only once and disappear after viewing. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.